In front of me is HUAWEI Y7A, and let me show you how to clear all setup connected with your apps. So let me show you how to reset app preferences. At first, you need to open the the settings application, then locate and open apps, and go to all apps. Then select more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select reset app preferences. Click on it. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset. And that's it, it has been done. And you've just reset app preferences. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.